We connect the USB cable to our laptop computer and the KD-Pro8x8D. We open up the KeyDigital management software and we choose Scan USB device to perform a scan for KeyDigital management software compatible devices. That may take a moment or two to allow the USB driver to load on the computer, but now we found the device and we could change the device name, IP address, default gateway, or any other settings in the properties window at left. Once we apply or enter those desired settings, we press the Save Disk icon and the unit will reboot with those new settings applied. Now we connect a network cable from our network router to the KD-Pro8x8D, and as long as our laptop computer is on the network with that device, after the completion of our network scan, we will see the KD-Pro8x8D as well as any other KeyDigital management software compatible devices on our network. We've detected the KD-Pro8x8D and we confirm our settings, as well as apply any other additional input-output settings that we see here. Especially useful will be the Change Input-Output Names button, where we can enter friendly names for all of our inputs and outputs, so that the end user using KeyDigital management software or KeyDigital app sees the friendly name as opposed to a traditional name of input 1, input 2, output 1, output 2, etc. Be sure to apply naming for all 8 inputs and outputs, and you have completed the configuration of your Pro 8x8D.